All right guys, if you're looking for a complete kit for your wire install, this is gonna be one of those kits that you purchase because it has just about everything that you need. And I am constantly looking for all of these little different connection points, especially when I'm working with solar, when I'm working with 12 volt, when I'm working with 24 volt. This kit is one of those kits that you buy because it gives you everything. It gives you over 285 pieces. Yeah, you're gonna get just about everything you need in this kit to work on your solar, your 12 volt, your 24 volt, your anything that you need is gonna be right here. Now you get the crimper, you get the stripper, and you get the cutter all in here. And that's fine. If I'm gonna be the first to tell you, anything in this kit is not gonna be top grade, professional quality. You're not gonna take them to the job site. If you're a professional, you're probably gonna just love the tools that you get. But if you're not, where this lives is somebody that's like a weekend warrior, do-it-yourselfer, somebody that just needs to have an assortment of everything right here, organized, completely neat for them, and then also have the tools to use every single thing in here. So check this out. So I don't want to spill this out, but you have an assortment of all these connection points. Obviously, you're going to be using thinner gauge wire here. So from your smallest gauge wire, you're going to go from 16 to 10. That's about where this lives in this compartment. All right, so you do have a pair of wire strippers right here, and then you have your cutters right here. Then you have a crimping tool just like this, which is a ratcheting system that's going to help you crimp it down. Now, the fun part or the awesome part is that these heads are interchangeable, so you can push the button down. This head right here, you can see the red, blue, and yellow. This means that you're going to be crimping with red, blue, and yellow plastic. So you got the red, blue, and yellow plastic right here. You got strippers, crimpers, everything that you need inside of this kit. All right, so you get all these interchanging heads right here, which is really cool. This guy right here is for these type of connectors that don't have the plastic bits on them right there. And then let's see, you have one, and it's super easy to change out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6 different heads that are gonna match each type of these connection points, right? You got your terminal connections, you got your ferrule tips, you got just your connections, you got your wire connectors, and you got your clothes, you got your plastic tips, and then you got your uncovered ones right here. All right, so what you got in here is you got a bunch of different terminals. You got your butt ends, you got your open, you got your ferrule terminals, you got your different sizes, and they're all color coordinated. Plus you have these ones that are open, which means that there's no plastic on there. They're different gauges, so you have different gauges, but the awesome part is that these different dies, these different casts right here, these die casts that you can just slip in and out and interchange are gonna match perfectly with whatever terminal head that you're gonna be using. If you've never used these before, my dad used to always say that if you have the right tool for the job, it's not really a job, right? And so this is one of those kits that give you the right tool for the job that you need. You gotta match the heads and the tool that go with the corresponding connector type, right? So again, with over 285 pieces, a wire stripper, and multiple crimping solutions, you're gonna find exactly what you need every time that you go to mess with smaller wire.